What's going on today, YouTube? Hope you guys all had a great weekend and you are getting ready for the upcoming week. If you're new to my channel, I make stock market investing tips daily. If you like this kind of content you're going to see today, leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and I upload every day. Every Sunday from now on. I'm going to run through the week I had, the potential plays I see in the market. A little bit about my last week. I did not make a trade last week. I did not see potential, so I did not take a position. It is not about how many trades you make. It is about the quality of the trades you wait for. If I don't see a potential in a position, I will not take a trade because I do not want to lose money. My whole goal is every time I put money into this market is I want to come out with more than I entered with. So if I don't see a setup that I like, I just do not go into a trade. Okay, so let's get to it. Trades I see for this upcoming week. We're going to run through them and why. I'm going to show you what I have on my radar. I like buying these stocks when they're at their lows. Okay, so we're just going to start off on the top. It's NUGT. These are all ETFs. I'm just going through ETFs today. This NUGT, RSI indicator is indicating it's oversold. That's one thing I like to see. Second thing I like to see. Out of this 6-month day chart, notice it had a bottom here and bounced. Right now, it has crossed that bottom and it has kept going. I was hoping for it to bounce here on Friday and start to show a little uptrend, but we did not get that. So for right now, I'm not taking a position on this. I'm going to wait. I want to wait until it confirms it's crossed over this line. So we're just going to have to sit and wait for now. And if you look at the year chart, it is all like year lows. And even like, this is something I even like to do for my long-term investing in stocks. If I see something near year lows, and it's an exchange trade, it's gold, it's exchange traded fund. So when I see a stock on its year lows, I get excited because it's showing me it's going to be a potential play soon. And I will not, while this thing is still trending down, I will not take a position. Like I said, I didn't make a trade last week because I didn't see any setups I liked. So I'm waiting right now, but I'm keeping it on my radar. So that's NUGT. Go to UGAS. UGAS, same thing. 6-month, almost near the lows. So I'm hoping this starts bouncing at this line, and I'll take a position when it crosses this EMA line. Same thing here. Year lows. Gush is the next one. It still has a ways to go to get to its year lows, but it has bounced here before, but it has crossed that line already, and there is a little support right here. That's why I have this line drawn. So I'm hoping it bounces off that line. This one's the only bad thing about this one. I don't see a trade anytime soon because it is so far from this EMA line. So I hope to see some consolidation. We got some consolidation here, and I thought that was going to be the start of the reversal, but it wasn't. It failed. So still waiting on that. JNUG, same thing. Year lows. If it holds at this line and starts making an uptrend, I'll take a position. USLV, still waiting on this. Still waiting. I think it's going to fall a little farther before it has its bounce. We have DRN, which is, it's on it very, very low. It's 3 years lows are the whole way down to 13. So if it can fall down to 13, then start an uptrend, that's good. And just remember, guys, the farther these fall, the better, because you get them for a cheaper price, and they have more potential on the up when they start their uptrend. So it's not a bad thing if you're waiting on a trade. Just be patient, wait for your setups, and then take a position. Same here. Now, besides these exchange traded funds, show you guys real quick. I've talked about it in a few other videos, but I am really, really, really looking into getting into Ford sometime soon. It's still a promising company. It broke its 6-month lows, and I even think it broke its year lows. Yeah, it broke its year. It's hovering right around that 1050 mark, which is great because if it consolidates here, I'm looking to take a position when it starts an uptrend over here. And it's already crossed this line, but it's still on a downtrend. That is why I will not take a position yet. You never know how far things are going to fall. Don't take a position in a failing stock. So ideally, this consolidates and starts its uptrend, I'm looking at a potential of 20% gain. Yes, it might take a while to get there, but Ford is still, it's a very large United States company. CRBP is the last one I'm going to cover today. You can see it is a negative company, so this does scare me a little bit. But as you can see, the past 6 months it's done a lot of bouncing between 650 and around 8. So if I can if this falls a little farther, around 650 range, it's at 705 right now, and holds, I may take a position and looking for a 17% gain. It's another one on my radar. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like if you like this video, like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you know someone else that could use some help learning how to invest in the stock market. You guys all have a great week, and I will see you again tomorrow.